Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Marie Codes. My name is Marie. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a CSS3 gradient effect using the Ultimate CSS Gradient Generator. So let's start. Okay, let's make a button with a class of flat button and name it flat button. Okay, so by default, the button looks like this. It's a transparent button with no styling. So we will create a flat button class inside the CSS. So put the dot for the class, flat button. And then background color. Say red. There you go. Border. None. Color. White. This is the color of the text. Padding. 30 pixels top and bottom. 64 pixels left and right. Okay. Text align. Center. So the text will be centered. Text decoration. Let's use this. None. Display. This is important. I'm gonna use a inline block. Okay, inline block. And the font size of, let's say, 32 pixels. So there you go. You have a one flat button. And then you want to make a gradient button. So let's duplicate this. There you go. And we're gonna name this gradient button 1. And then we will make another example. Gradient button 2. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the Ultimate CSS Gradient Generator. They already have a preset. So you can pick in the swatches with the preset pre-made gradient already. So let's try the blue one because I like blue. There you go. Below the preview, you will see this CSS. This is already populated. It's already made. So you're gonna copy this, and then we will go to our style. I'm gonna make a new class, gradient button 1. Then I'm gonna paste the CSS and then copy the other properties. So we will change the class name, gradient button 1. There you go. So let's try another one. So let's make another one. Gradient button 2. This is for this one. We're gonna make a gradient button 2. So we will change this to number 2. And then we will take out the one that we got for the blue. Okay. For example, I want it this one. This one looks like a glossy red button. By the way, you can modify the color of the stop marker by double clicking on it. Then you can also reverse the position. Okay. So this is the bottom, this is the top. Reverse it again. And then I will copy this, paste it to gradient button 2. We will change the class name to gradient button 2. There you go. So let's have a little fun here. Let's make another gradient button that looks a little wild. So gradient button 3. Button 3. Let's move this. Then I'm gonna duplicate this CSS properties, and then I'm just gonna rename this gradient button 3. Of course it's blue because we have to take this out. Okay, let's go back to our gradient generator. Let's find what's a good one? Green. Okay. And let's mix these things up. Let's make this little aqua, purple, and let's make this there. There you go. Yeah. Okay, and add a little pink for a unicorn effect. Gonna make a unicorn. Lowered. There you go. And this one, we're gonna lower it down a little bit too. Okay. So there you go. It looks like is this already a unicorn? Okay. Copy. And then let's put it here, paste. There you go. Yoo-hoo! Then I'm gonna save it again, and it will automatically make the codes go in the right tabs or line and position because I'm using a prettier plugin. And by the way, if you're wondering why I can see the changes right away in this browser, it's because I'm using a live server, which I will make a separate tutorial how to use a live server in Visual Studio Code. So whenever you do something, you can see it apply right away in your browser. So I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this. Save, save. Please press the like button and share my tutorial. I'll be happy if you do that. Well, thanks for watching and please subscribe as well.